In this video, we are going to continue our quarter 3 final concepts. Today, we are going to look at geometry. Let's get started. All right, don't need that. Okay, so Hill's Flower Garden has an area of 28 square feet. The rectangular garden is 7 feet long. What is the width? So, as we can see over on the side here, that I have a rectangle that has an area of 28 feet squared, a length of 7 feet, and we want to know the width. So we know that our formula to find area of a rectangle is length times width. So we need to figure out, plug in our numbers. 28 is the area, 7 is the length, W is the width, because we don't know it yet. To undo this equation, we're going to undo multiplication with division and divide both sides by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So the width of the rectangle is 4 feet, because 7 times 4 would give you an area of 28. All right, moving along. All right, a figure is built out of 9 cubes as shown. The edge length of each cube is a half foot. What is the volume of the figure? So, the volume, first we need to figure out the volume of one cube, and then we're going to multiply that by 9 to get all 9 cubes. So, our volume is length times width times height. That is how we find volume. That is on your formula sheet. Since the edge of each cube is a half a foot, that means the length, width, and height are all the same, because with a cube, all the sides are the same. So 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 gives us 1/8, because the top's 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. On the bottom, 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is 8. Then we need to take that volume of 1 cube, so that is the volume of 1 cube, and we need to multiply that by 9 cubes. So 1/8 times 9 cubes, 9 over 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 8 times 1 is 8. And then 9 over 8 is 1 and 1/8, because 8 fits into 9 one time with 1 left over. And as we see on the bottom here, that volume is measured in feet or units cubed, because we are multiplying 3 numbers. When we find area, it's square because we multiply 2 numbers, but with volume, it is 3 numbers. All right, let's keep going. A kitchen cabinet is in the shape of a rectangular prism, so all rectangles. The height of the cabinet is 2 yards. The dimensions of the base are shown. We have a length or width of 2/3 and then a length of width or width of 1/3. And then again, it says our height is 2. So if I kind of drew the whole cabinet here, the height would be 2 coming down. Our volume is length times width times height, because that is the formula. It is on your formula sheet. We know that our length and width are 2/3 and 1/3. And then our height is 2. 2/3 times 1/3 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2, times another 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9, times another 1 is 9. So that is 4/9 yards cubed. Again, volume is cubic units, because we multiply 3 units, or 3 side lengths, I should say. That cannot be simplified. It doesn't need to become a mixed number because it's a proper fraction. So we are good to go. All right, last but not least, surface area. Surface area is the area of each surface. So what I mean by that is we're going to find the area of each individual piece This is a net of a triangular prism because it has triangle bases and then rectangle sides, and it has two bases. So the two rectangles on the side are each 5 inches by 12 inches, which gives them an area of 60, as you can see the ones in blue. Excuse me, sorry about that. All right. The bottom rectangle, which would be the bottom when you fold it up, is 8 by 12, because if this length here is 12 where the pen is coming down, this length here is also 12. And we see here that this is 8. That gives us a total of 96. Now for the triangle sides. We have a height of 3 for each triangle, and the bases are each 8 because the base is the width of this rectangle here. 3 times 8 is 24, divided by 2 because it is a triangle is 12. Then we add up all of our numbers. We have two 60s, two 12s, and a 96. The two 60s make 120, the two 12s make 24, and the 96 all add up to 240. All right, we are going to stop there for now, and we will talk soon. Bye, guys.